Hi everyone, today I will show you how I color crystals and gemstones. The coloring book that I will be using is Magical Dawn by Hannah Carlson. And I will use Prismacolor, but you can use any colored pencils you have at home. First of all, I want you to know that I use black to add contrast and white to add highlight. To create blue crystals, I use cerulean blue, electric blue, light aqua, sky blue light, and white. First color that I use is cerulean blue, and I use this color very lightly just to add a base. As you can see, I use light pressure, and I do this with all the colors that I use before I darken the crystal. And I use the color electric blue to lighten up the areas where I want to highlight. And in this part, I use light aqua to add more highlight on the crystal. As you can see, I'm using hard pressure this time, and I just alternate the colors and blend it all together until I achieve the effect that I like. After blending those colors together, I use a black colored pencil to add contrast on the image, and I make sure to add this color in the corners. I use sky blue light to blend the colors together, and this will add a smooth effect. Before I use the white colored pencils, I go back to cerulean blue and darken the sides of the crystals. For the last layer, I use a white pencil to add highlights, and this will help lighten the area. Next, I'm going to show you how I color gemstones. The colors I use are black, scarlet lake, raspberry, deco peach, and pink. I use the same steps when coloring gemstones. The first color that I use is scarlet lake. Then I use raspberry to create more depth. And this time I'm using Scarlet Lake to darken up these areas. I blend the colors together by using pink. And after that, I use a black colored pencil to create more contrast on the image. And this time I'm using hard pressure, and I make sure that I only apply the black color in the inner corners. And after that, I use raspberry to blend black and scarlet lake. Then for my last layer, I use deco peach and white to add some highlights. For the last gemstone, here are the colors: dark green, apple green, yellow chartreuse, and white. So here's the finished page. I hope this video inspires you to color some crystals and gems. You can find me on Instagram for more coloring inspiration. Thank you for watching.